You can see we have quite a stack here. A bunch of spruce, pine, softwoods, all these bigger rounds. We got to split some of these up. And then we have a decent sized stack of, this is hardwood, primarily maple and oak. And you can see we got some smaller stuff to get the fire going. Then some bigger pieces that some of them will get split a little bit. Others are pretty good depending on their size. And what we're using all these in is our homemade evaporator. And what's nice about our evaporator is that it allows me to throw in larger pieces, maybe about a 5, even 6-inch diameter piece into here, so I don't have to split so much. We'll put our big pan on there and start cooking it down. So it won't be long now. Who knows? We could be tapping in another month or so, maybe less. It all depends on Mother Nature. But yeah, we got some firewood to split. Stay warm out there. Have fun. Get your firewood going. Get it all split up so that you'll be all ready for maple season. Take care, everybody. Stay warm.